Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you 3 different ideas to upgrade your cushion cover. The size of the cushion is 14 by 14 inch. For that, here I take a fabric strip which is about 2.2 inches in width and 70 inches in length. Fold the fabric on both sides like this. Take a black strip which is about 1.9 inches in width and 17 inches in length. So both black and white strip of fabric, wrong side facing each other. Here I have 3 of each color. After finishing sewing, take one strip, do a knot, leaving about 3.5 inch of distance like this. On the second one, do a knot in the middle, and the third one, do as the first one. Place them on cushion cover fabric. Secure it with the pins. Complete the cushion cover, sewing bottom part to the cushion cover. For the second idea, here I am going to use a coaster which we use to place things on top. This coaster is made of net fabric. Place it on the cushion fabric and sew it. Secure the coaster on a fabric. First I am going to do a circle seam and then go over the zigzag. After finish attaching the coaster to the cushion cover, complete the cushion. For the third design, here I take a brown fabric. To design this cushion cover, here I am going to take a ribbon. Cut 8 ribbon strips, same as the cushion length. Place it on the cushion cover fabric starting from the middle. 4 strips of ribbon are going on each side. For the other side, take a ribbon strip. First go under the first one, then over the second, and so on. After finish placing the ribbon strips, sew the cushion cover. So this is the finished look of cushion cover designs. If you like my video, hit the like button and let me know in the comment below how you find these designs. And subscribe to my channel if you not already. Thanks for watching.